Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we change guys notification ringtone in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to change guys your Samsung phone notification ringtone. So how can you change it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we change guys phone notification ringtone. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. So after on phone setting, as you can see this tab setting friends, you will have to click on guys your phone sound and vibration setting. Guys, click on guys your phone sound and vibration, and friends click on guys your phone notification ringtone setting. So which ringtone guys you like guys, you can change from here guys. You will have to only click. So example guys, you click on this banjo ringtone, and friends come back. So friends you can see your notification ringtone will change into fun bango. Oh guys, banjo, sorry friends, banjo ringtone. As you can see guys phone volume, once you can see notification volume guys, you can customize from here. You can increase and decrease from here. So like that guys, we can change guys phone notification ringtone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye guys.